Want to save time and money when selling B2B wholesale? Meet B2B Wholesale Solution by BSS Commerce. All-in-one solution to grow your business. Set up your own B2B features with ease. Quantity break, custom pricing, auto tag, order limit, tax display, public API, registration form, and more. Now you can automate all your stuff with just one click. B2B Wholesale Solution streamlines your B2B selling, such as custom pricing for your needs. Set your own price list for your store, based on multiple conditions such as customers, markets, or products. Registration form for customer details with specific fields. Add tags for your orders and your customers. You also can set up a display or exempt tags for matching customers with tags. A powerful API to connect your data with ease. Change pricing in bulk for thousands of your product. BSS Commerce brings you everything you need to customize wholesale pricing and manage B2B customers better.